Good afternoon to all students. Today I discuss about the hyperbolic function and exponential function and trigonometric function of the nth derivative of. You know that one already. Last class we discussed about the nth derivative. In theory class, already completed this one. That is the finding the nth derivative of e to the power of x means that is the exponential form, and hyperbolic means sin hx, that is the hyperbolic, and trigonometric, that is the sin square cos square. Okay, and that is the trigonometric. In This is the experiment number 7 in your lab. That is the find the antiderivative of e to the power of x and hyperbolic and trigonometric function is there. That is the experiment number 7. Means practical 7. Now I discuss the first one, that's the example. The practical one is, that is, I go to a maxima command. Here this is your maxima command. First I take, that is the e to the power of, you know that one. First that algorithm is there. Algorithm means you know that one. Enter the first, you enter the given function, then specify the value of n. That second step is specify the value of n, means you find the nth derivative. Next, find the nth derivative of f of x, means function of x with respect to x. That is key comments is there. Key comments means f of x, then colon of that equal to, that is the some value is there. That is the 4x minus 4x is there, and differentiation of f of x comma x comma n is there. Okay. First take the header file, that is the kill all. Then that is the dollar symbol. You know that one. That is the first line. Next you press the enter key. Then enter the function. First take enter. Enter the function. Which function? That is enter the function. Enter, that is the capital E. Enter the function. Then star. Then it slash. Then you press the enter key. Function. After that the function means that is f of x. Means f bracket of x. That is a small f of x. F of x, then f of x, you remember this one, this is important. F of x colon of equal to, don't write the f of x direct equal to, f of x, after that colon, after that then equal to f of x. What is that one? That is percentage of e to the power of minus 4x is there. This is your question. Find the derivative of e to the power of minus 4x where n is equal to 3. N value is given, that is n equal to 3. Okay, I write here, that is e to the power of 4x. Mean e means exponential form is there, e to the power of 4x. You take the percentage of e to the power of 4x. 4 means you know that one, that is the cap. Means x square means x cap of 2 is there. The exponential form e is there. That's why e cap of that minus 4. Minus 4x. You know that one. What is 4x mean? 4 star of that x. Okay. F of x colon equal to then percentage of e to the power of 4x. After that semicolon, then you press the shift enter. That is f of x output. After that go to a next line. F of x equal to that one. Then n equal to given here, n equal to 3. Then n is equal to that 3, n colon of 3. Then dollar symbol. Next enter. Next step is differentiate. Differentiate means that is the I double f of differentiate of that f of x. Differentiate of f of x. Differentiate of that f of x. Then comma, then x comma n. X comma n. Differentiate of f of x comma n comma that one, that semicolon. Then shift enter. See here, first this is your own program. First differentiate of e to the power of 4x means in theoretically you know that one. E to the power of minus 4x means Then minus 4x means you take the e to the power of x is the differentiation is e to the power of x only. Then after that you go e to the power of 4x exponential e to the power of minus 4x into minus 4x into e to the power of minus 4x. Next again differentiate that one. Then 4 into 4, 4 for the 16. That is the second derivative. 16 e to the power of minus 4x. After that again differentiate means that is 16 for the that is minus 64. Okay. You theoretically you know that one. How to find in that one? That is see here. Suppose we take here the percentage means the percentage of e to the power of minus 4x means that result is different. And you take direct here means that is the different. Okay, that's why you take the percentage of e to the power of minus 4x. Then after that n is equal to, so this is the given. Means we differentiate 3 times here. N means that is the differentiate 3 times. In your final result, minus 64 e to the power of minus 4x. That is your output. Okay, this is the first example. Next, go to a second example. That is, find the nth derivative of sine h square phi x. Already theoretically over this one. I take the new page. Then, first you take the header file, that is the kill all. Then, dollar symbol. After that, enter the press key. Then, what is the enter the function? Same. That is also a same. Enter. First you take the class, then star, enter the function. Enter the set function. Enter the function. Enter the function. After that the star, then class. Then enter. Okay. After that, that is the function. What is the function? In your question is there, that is f of x. F of then x. After that, remember this one is important. Colon of equal to f of x equal to the, what is that one? Sine hyperbolic of 5x. Okay, sine hyperbolic. That is sine h means that is the hyperbolic. Sine hyperbolic of that 5x. 5x means you take 5 star of x. Sine hyperbolic of 5 star of x. Then square is there. That is gap of 2. Sine hyperbolic. Then 5x whole square. Okay. Then dollar symbol. Then you press the shift enter. Then n equal to given here n equal to 3 means 3 times differentiate, that is n equal to 3. N is equal to 3. Next differentiate here. Differentiate means that is differentiate of next line, that is differentiate. DIFF differentiate of then f of x. Differentiate of f of x, then comma f of x comma x comma n. X comma that n. Differentiate of f of x, then x comma n, then semicolon, enter, then okay, you see here first you take the header file kill all. After that the use put the function, that is the f of x equal to sin h 5x square, then n is equal to 3, that is given. After that we doing the differentiate, that is f of x, then x. See here what is your output mean, that is the 1000 of cos h 5x into sin 5x. Remember this one. And also you do theoretical. Okay, in last class maybe 2 days before class I discussed this one, sine hyperbolic of 5x square. Okay, you differentiate once again the theoretically, that is also result is 1000 cos h 5x into sin 5x is there. Okay, this is the second example. See here first we take the header file, after that we enter the function, that means given function. After that n equal to 3, then differentiate this one, means differentiate of this function. Then X is there and n is there. Okay, this is a very easy example, and seventh one is very easy. Next one, I continue. I do here only. That is the next one. The find the nth derivative of e to the power of e to the power of minus x cos hyperbolic of 5x is there. Next take, next enter. That is kill all. Next example, I take, don't confuse this one. I take new page, 1 minute. This is the new page. See here. First take header file, that is the kill all. Then dollar symbol. After press the enter key, then that is enter the function. Next slash star, enter the function. Enter the function. Means that is the given function. Enter the function star and slash, then enter. Now what is next step? That is the function. Means f of x. We take the f of x, then colon of that equal to. Remember this one. Many students forget this one. This is f of x equal to. Suppose we take direct mean, that is the wrong answer. 1 minute. F of x equal to, what is the your question? E to the power of minus x. Means you take exponential means first take, remember this one. This is the percentage of e to the power of. Means e cap of percentage of e cap of, that is the minus x. Minus x means you take minus of that x. Percentage of e to the power of x, then cos hyperbolic of that 5x is there. Cos hyperbolic of 5x, that is the bracket of 5 star x. Here f of x, then colon of e to the power of that minus x into cos of hyperbolic of 5x. Then semicolon. After that you press the shift enter. Here we take here next step, that is f of x is over. Then the n. What is the n value? That is n equal to 2 given here. N means that is 2 times of differentiate. N colon of 2. Then next step, you press the enter key. After that, the function. Function means that is f of x. Differentiate of f of x, comma, then x comma n. Differentiated this one means that is, see here your result is 26 e to the power of minus x cos hyperbolic of 5x minus 10 into e to the power of minus x sin hyperbolic of 5x. Here once again that is the header file kill all. After that they enter the function f of x. F of x means that is the given function e to the power of minus x into cos hyperbolic of 5x is there. After that you press the shift enter. Then the value of n means 2 times differentiate, n equal to that is 3. Suppose we take here that n equal to 3 means n term 3 times differentiate. That answer is 140 e to the power of minus x sin hyperbolic of 5x minus 76 e to the power of minus x cos hyperbolic of 5x is there. That is n equal to 3. Okay. Same as I will give one assignment for you. That is the find the nth derivative of cos x, cos 5x, cos 7x, where n equal to 2. I do here only. I take the new page. Next, that is the kill all. Then dollar symbol. You press the only enter key. Then enter the function. That is the class star. Enter the function. That is enter the function. Then star of class. Enter. What is the function? That is f of x. F of x. Then colon equal to, what is that function? Cos x. Cos of bracket x. Cos x. Then comma into is there. then sin x, sorry, cos x, cos 5x, cos 5x, that is 5 star of x, then cos 7x into cos of 7x, 7 star of x. Here f of x equal to cos x into cos 5x into cos 7x, then that is a semicolon, then shift enter. Here f of x is cos x, cos 5x, cos x, that is the output. Then n equal to 2. You next take n is equal to, that is 2 means n colon of 2. That is dollar symbol. Then next line, that is differentiate. Differentiate of that f of x function, f of x, then comma x, comma n. Then come outside, then semicolon. After that, shift enter. See here, this is your result. See here. Then your result is 70 cos x into sin 5x sin 7x plus 14 sin x into cos 5x into sin 7x plus 10 sin x into sin 5x into cos 7x minus 75 cos x into cos 5x into cos 7x. This is your result. Remember this one? This is the first step. You take the Gillan, then the function f of x. After that, n value. That is the given value n equal to. After that, that is the differentiate this one. Only you remember this 1 and 2 and 3 steps. Okay. Thank you for all.
PDF file.